Good morning, this is Dennis Stroud with Guarantee RV in cloudy Junction City, Oregon, celebrating the day after the 4th of July. I'd like to take you around this 2018 Thor Axis. This is a 25.2 model. You're going to see some unique features, a great coach in a very compact design. So as you notice, sleek, large windshield, large open grille. As we go around, they've given us outside storage here. Of course, that one's locked. There we have drop-down storage. Above it we have an outside TV for family fun. So, of course, anytime we go camping, we're always looking for a place for our lawn chairs. That would probably be a good one. Outside quick disconnect for your LP grill, hooked to the LP tank on the chassis. With the right hose, you can hook your grill up and be out here cooking. Additional storage here in the back. You know, as we walk around the corner, we do have our back slide out, our bed slide out. Continuation of the storage coming across the back. Generator down here. This one has the 4,000 awning generator. Fuel fill. Tankless water heater. So our holding tank. Here we're going to have our sewer. This will be our LP tank. Pull up and fill her up and go camping. Power cord storage and just additional storage for the exterior. So as you can see, a narrower front end, sleek exterior, the beautiful windows. So an RV in just a little smaller, more aerodynamic package. As we go inside, now one of the things this unit has, which I really like, is here you'll see on the bottom of the mirror the camera. And what that does, when we're going down the road, we can default to our back camera, but if we bump the turn signal, this camera is going to come on and we're going to be looking right down the side. So what a great way to make sure we're not going to have an accident. As we walk into this coach, we can see the curved doors, light colors, laminate overheads. Deep sink. Pull out hot and cold. Good 4 drawers. Room under the sink. Microwave down below. 2 burner. 2-door refrigerator, RV style. As we come to the back here, this is a unique back in that in transit you can use it as a sitting room. Right now we have the slide out and we're ready to make it into a bed. So this is kind of a transformer. We have a nice large bed back here with the slide out. If we want to have a place to sit, we also have our second TV back here. So as you can see, they've done a nice job with their accent lighting and their colors in here. Keep it nice and light. Pocket door here to close off the rear area. A pocket door here to close off the bathroom. Very easy to get into, nice light, large shower in the corner. As we come up here, we'll have a jackknife sofa. We have a long table that goes here. We have a small table that goes here between the driver and passenger. Both these chairs will turn around and face the rear, so you can have expanded living room. As you look at the dash, we have the passenger workstation. And in this coach, even though it's in a smaller package, as an added benefit, we also have an overhead bunk that electrically will come down and allow you to sleep a couple more children. So TV is over the door on a swing arm. So this is a great coach in a small package. Love to take you for a test drive in it. If you have a chance, give us a call, come see us. Dennis Gerard at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you very much.